Welcome back. Now, PowerPoint has two additional AI elements to its operation. One you'll find within the Review tab, and you're going to see it here that you can check accessibility to make sure that if you're going to be giving your presentation to someone in order to read, that it is accessible to individuals that have accessibility issues. You can click here to check to make sure that there are no issues, and this means that your presentation is likely to be compliant with accessibility principles. Now, the other AI element that you have available to you is in the Home tab, and you're going to see it here in the right side, and you can open up what's called the Designer. And that's going to open up the panel on the right side. And basically, you're going to have an AI to give you suggestions on ways that you can put your slide together. And you're going to have several choices for each slide. And basically, you can choose one element for each slide. And each slide can be individually designed. So basically, what you have available to you is that the AI will select different elements for you to determine how you want your slide presentation to look for any occasion that you will be using it for. Now, most cases, a sales presentation will require just a plain background, but you may want to vary it depending on the context that you will be selling your product. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.